shrimp ready. So these have been cleaned. We missed the shot with us taking off the shell, but we have them ready. So these are the clean shrimp. So we're gonna be marinating it using our all-purpose Feel Good Chef seasoning. We're adding in some adobo. And then we have the all-purpose Caribbean seasoning. I'm gonna add some curry powder to this. Adding in some curry powder. Alright, so we have the shrimp ready now, so we can let this sit, let this marinate for a little bit of while. Alright, so you know the reason why we marinate this?
Why is that?
So that the flavor goes. I don't even know the reason. Look, man. So the reason why we marinate is just so that the meat absorb more flavor. So if we just add the seasoning and cook it, the seasoning is gonna be at the outside. When you marinate it, it seeps into the cavity of the meat. So we have this marinated, we're gonna let this sit.
Same one as Batman?
Hey Esther, you know what I'm gonna be doing?
Oh yeah, it's making my eyes water too.
It's because the knife is gone, so. Oh my God.
Yeah, I gotta sharpen that.
She left me again, man. Yeah, she. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to drink some of that soup so I can get my performance up. Alright.
I totally forgot about the.
I'm gonna get some garlic going for the shrimp. Turn on the fire. Alright, so we're using coconut oil, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we can. We're crazy like that. So we're using some coconut oil. Coconut oil is very healthy, so you don't have to worry about using the veggies. So we have onions, carrots, peppers, and we have some garlic here. We're gonna be adding all of that. We're gonna let this saute for about 5 minutes. Leon, you have any axe here? No, we don't have that.
We don't have that.
So what do you have? Listen how the bumbo clock to keep coming and asking and asking and asking. You don't have no respect, Leon. We have any respect around here in the kitchen? No, we don't have that. Only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yeah, they make, those Jamaican restaurants are very, you have to have some patience to deal with some of the restaurants. Alright, so we have the veggies going. Let's season up this part of it. Remember the shrimp is already marinating, so we need to make sure that when we add the shrimp, this doesn't take away from the flavor. Monday's so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, she's
Working. Oh yeah. One-handed, look out.
Yep, one-handed bandit. So this one, this is gonna be the trick. I'm gonna flip it over my head. I'm gonna catch everything down here. Just like that. You got it?
Yeah.
One more.
One more. One more. Hey.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All my life I was training for that moment. Alright, so now that we have the veggies sauteed, we're gonna add some coconut cream. Ooh, Jesus. Oh my God, that smells so good, man. Listen, if you could smell this through the phone, you would understand. So we're gonna add some of this. We're adding some minutes. Then we're gonna be adding some curry. No hurry. You just add in some curry. Put away everything. It's easy. Oh my god. Alright. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
If they could only smell what this smells like. Let me see what it tastes like though. Smell is one thing, but taste is another thing. Tastes good.
Yeah.
There's a Jamaican artist, his name is Elephant Man. You know that artist, right?
Yeah.
He always says like, what did he say? Image is everything. So the image of this is very good. But I think the taste is important as well.
Does it taste as good as it looks?
Yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes really good, man. So I'm gonna wait. Since the carrot is the toughest one, I'm gonna wait until the carrot is a little bit soft. Then I'm gonna add the shrimp. The shrimp is gonna take like 5 minutes to cook. Because shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
If you forgot, this is what the shrimp looks like. Some butter. This is some scallion. 5 minutes and we're good. Alright, so the shrimp is cooked. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna let the heat that is inside of it continue to cook the shrimp, because if it cooks too long, it's gonna be rubbery. You don't wanna overcook the shrimp. Right, so this is about 90% cooked. So we're gonna turn it off and the heat that is present will continue to cook the dish. So let's turn it off. That's a wrap. Just good.
You gotta put one more piece of shrimp up again. Like real close to it. Okay. Let's do it.
That's a shrimp.
Okay. It smells good. This is like 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.